In a sport that pushes the limits of science and engineering, where aerodynamicists simulate the flow of air down to the millimeter and cars generate terabytes of data every weekend, there's still something oddly nostalgic about a mechanic leaning over the pit wall, holding a metal board covered in plastic numbers and letters. Amid sensors, AI-assisted strategies, and live telemetry feeds, one question lingers. Why on earth do Formula One teams still use pit boards? During a Grand Prix, the pit wall is the nerve center of operations, filled with engineers, strategists, and performance analysts, all connected by headsets and radio links to the driver inside the cockpit. Every gear change, tire pressure, and lap delta is monitored in real time. Yet even with all this cutting-edge technology, teams continue to slide old-fashioned pit boards through the fence, flashing vital information to their drivers as they scream past at over 200 km/h. The boards themselves are simple, a lightweight frame with slots for magnetic letters and numbers. They might display a lap number, a time gap, or a short command like box or push. And while it seems primitive compared to digital communication, there's a reason these analog tools refuse to die out. In Formula One, redundancy isn't just smart, it's essential. As Red Bull Racing cheekily explained in a recent blog post, because pit boards don't break, radio communication is fast, efficient, and clear most of the time. But it's not foolproof. F1 history is full of examples where technical glitches or interference have left drivers in the dark. Back in the 1980s, Ayrton Senna's radio famously picked up chatter from a catering crew during a race weekend. In 1998, Mika Häkkinen lost a sure victory in Australia after a pit stop miscommunication blamed on a faulty radio. Even in the modern hybrid era, issues persist. Kimi Räikkönen's heated argument over a dead radio in 2021 and Max Verstappen's silent drive in Canada 2022 when his system failed mid-race are proof that even the best technology can falter. That's where pit boards come in, a fail-safe line of communication. When a radio drops out, those big black and yellow letters become a lifeline, informing drivers about their gap to rivals, remaining laps, or a sudden strategy change. They can even signal penalties, tire calls, or safety car instructions in emergencies. And unlike a radio, a pit board doesn't rely on frequencies, batteries, or signal integrity. As long as there's a human on the wall and a driver on the track, it works. There's also a human element at play. Many drivers say there's something reassuring about catching a glimpse of the pit board each lap, a visual connection to the team amid the noise and chaos. It's a small reminder that beyond the data streams and AI calculations, Formula One is still, at its heart, a human endeavor. So, while the future of F1 will bring electric power units, autonomous testing, and even smarter telemetry systems, don't expect the humble pit board to disappear anytime soon. Sometimes, the simplest tools survive precisely because they never fail. What about you? Do you think Formula One should keep the tradition of pit boards alive, or is it time to move on completely to digital communication? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more behind-the-scenes stories and in-depth F1 analysis every week.